So my sponsor that I work with for my stickers sent me in a package. It's 330 Creations, and he sent me a bunch of stickers, and I'll show you guys what it is. Give me a second. So I got a bunch of business cards from him, from his company 330 Creations. His name is Justin Cox. It's where this is how you can reach him and everything, all this stuff. And he sent me a bunch of my YouTube stickers, a bunch of his stickers, and I'm like separating them out right now. I know the black one's going to my brother for when he gets his car, and I know the red one and the white one's going on my truck. And I'm gonna save one of the black ones. And I know he's gonna get one of these stickers. I mean, I went for the other side of the truck, and then my older brother's gonna get one of these. So I'm gonna have, I think, extra stickers for people if I do something. I'm going to probably be holding a giveaway of these stickers. Once you guys help me reach 1,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway, and I'll pick one lucky fan. I'll send him one of these, and also one of these stickers. I'll send my fans these stickers and a business card from my guy, and I'll also write you a letter on that I thank you for subscribing to the channel and everything and all that. So once you guys help me reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway with these, and these are all the stickers I got, and these extra ones I'm going to be holding on to. So if I meet any fans in person or anything, I'll be giving you guys these stickers, or I might sell them for you guys and see if you guys want them. Just hit me up on Instagram is down below. Also, my Snapchat is down below if you guys want to add me on Snapchat. But that's basically all this video. That's basically all for right now. And I just want to let you guys know that I'm also have another company sending me stickers. It was a guy that he said he wanted to send me stickers. I don't know what they are, but he's sending me stickers, and it's another company. And he said he's going to start selling my stickers also. So I'm going to have him as like my West Coast supplier, and 330 Creations is my East Coast supplier. So I have two suppliers for my stickers for you guys if you want. And there's good old Raucus. And he just used outside. I think he wants to go out again. Great. It's raining here. So yeah. Alright, so that's basically all. I'll see you guys later. Alright, so as you guys know, I got new stickers. I gotta apply them to the truck now. One's going over here, the YouTube one. This one will go on this side to line up with this. Probably like that. Yeah, I gotta line it up with the other one, the other side. I'm gonna line up like that, and these two will go in the toolbox. I just gotta clean out the glass and make sure it's all good. So it's got nothing on it. Let me go check the other side. Alright, I got it lined up. Time to apply this sticker if I can get it undone. There we go. No. We're about right there. that's one side done. Now it's time to do the toolbox. Alright. As I said before, when I get 1,000 subscribers, I'll open up a PO box so you guys can send me stuff, and I'm gonna have it where you guys can send me. I want you guys to send me stickers so I can. This is how it is. I want you guys to send me stickers so I can stick them on my toolbox, and all stickers are gonna go in the toolbox and everything. And I'm going to start applying these 2 stickers. There's one. As you can see, there's one done. So I need to do the small 330 creations one. Thinking I might get a light for the toolbox and put it. Might be getting a light for the toolbox and put it right here so I have light in here and all that. It's starting to get cold out. It's not even funny. It's probably in the 40s right now. I'm wearing my winter coat. That's how it is in Ohio. It gets cold real quick. There we go. Got the other one off. The other one right here. I wrapped around these corners also. They are in. I got 2 330 Creations logo. I got my logo, and I also got those extra logos. As I said, once again, they are. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway to one fan. I laid everything out on what I'll give. I'm also going to do probably another thing that will be in the giveaway. I don't know yet. Also, you can buy these stickers and my sticker on the side. They're at 330creations.com. It's down below. It's the East Coast supplier one. That's 330 Creations. You can purchase my sticker and their sticker if you want. So that's basically all. And me and 330 Creations are talking about doing a big old car meet up in Columbus this year. He's got 5 car crews coming from all parts of Ohio and 1 from Maryland. So we'll see how that goes. And there's more to come from this video. Well, my GoPro just gave out on me. I don't know why, but that's all from this video. I will see you guys later. Have a good day.